If you've seen one of these in your home, you know how scary palmetto bugs can be. They're fast, they fly, and they love warm homes. But the good news, you can get rid of them permanently. Palmetto bug is just another name for large outdoor cockroaches. They usually come inside searching for food and moisture. First, eliminate water sources. Fix leaks and dry sinks overnight. Don't leave standing water out. Palmetto bugs survive on tiny food scraps. Clean counters every night. Store food in airtight containers. Next, block how they get inside. Add door sweeps and weather stripping. Seal wall cracks and baseboard gaps. Boric acid is one of the best defenses. Diatomaceous earth dries them out naturally. Essential oils like peppermint also repel them. Place traps where they hide. Gel bait works by poisoning the nest. One bug spreads it to others. Palmetto bugs live outside first. Remove leaf piles and mulch touching your home. Keep plants trimmed back. Check dark areas at night. Kitchens and laundry rooms are hot spots. Seeing many bugs means an infestation. Professionals can treat the outside barrier. Killing one bug isn't enough. Leaving trash uncovered invites them back. Even moisture from sponges attract them. A dry, sealed home keeps them out. Within weeks, activity drops fast. Use yellow outdoor lights to attract fewer insects. Keep outdoor trash sealed tightly. Cover drains if bugs come from plumbing. Palmetto bugs only stay where they feel welcome. Remove water, remove food, block entry, and they leave. Simple habits make a huge difference. Follow these steps and you'll win the battle. Save this guide so you're ready before they return. Follow for more home protection tips. A bug-free home starts tonight. Stay consistent and they won't come back. Prevention is always easier than extermination. Watch next for more smart home fixes.